it right on the nose. It gets $5. Right on the nose. Actual retail price, $1,000. Right. Congratulations on your $500 cash. Good bid. George, what do we got for him?
Yet the fraternity needs a steam shower and a bar set. First, this revolutionary Rainforest 6 steam shower features fluorescent mood lighting, handheld adjustable shower head, and a hands-free telephone from MyBathUSA.com. And serve drinks in style with this ultra-contemporary bar set. The sleek, polished metal bar has a thick glass top and includes 2 champagne-finished swivel stools.
I'd love to call people from the shower. Are you in the shower? Yeah. Sorry. Okay, now we have the steam shower over there by Rachel, over by Amber. We have the little bar set. And Manuela in the middle, $2,289. Where does the price go? Does it go to the steam shower or the bar set?
Table.
The bar set. $2,289. I say 3. Flip it up. 1, 2, 3. Boom. You're ready.